How to add your home location in Google Maps. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add home location on Google Maps. In order to do so, first of all, open your Google Maps application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, now here you will be able to see different options at the top. You can simply find the home option from this list. If in case you didn't find the home option from here, you may also tap on this U icon at the central button below. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see home option. Now you just simply need to tap on the set home option, and here you'll be able to add your home address. Alternatively, you may also use this use your current location option or the feature and then set the exact home address using the GPS. Or you may also tap on this choose on map option and then from the map you will need to choose your home address. Or you may also add the full information about your home. Simply type in the address in the text box. From here, tap on your location. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you will be able to see the home icon. Now here, if you would like to adjust it, you may simply drag it to the correct location and then tap on it. Now simply tap on the save button at the very bottom in order to set it. If you want to check it, you can simply tap on this icon. After that, here simply tap on this turn option, and here at the top left, you will be able to see your location now. In order to check it, you can simply tap on it and then you will be presented with your home address on the Google Maps. So by following these steps, you should be able to add home location in Google Maps. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.